Hello guys, welcome back to another video. How are you today? Today our topic is about basic icons of GUI operating system. History of the graphical user interface. First versions of Lisa GUI. Even black icons, these prototypes GUI are at least mouse driven but completely ignored the VIMP window I icons amino p pointing EPOC operating system device. The notebook computers had a window, icons, menus, pointer, WIMP graphical user interface, G graphical user and I interface. The handheld computers which had smaller screens. Windowing system screens, it is a type of graphical user interface GUI which implements the WIMP windows, icons, menus, pointer paradigm. History of operating system. Computer operating system provide a set of functions needed and used by most application programs on a computer and the links needed to control. Classes MSC OS direct from Mac OS classes operating system. Minimize the user's awareness of the operating system. Many basic tasks that required more operating system knowledge on another system called to be accomplished by Mac operating system. Two major families of Mac operating system were developed by Apple Inc. In 1984, Apple debuted to operating system that is now known as the Classic operating system to operate with a limited amount of resources. Windows, C, and Minix 3 are some example of embedded operating system. A real-time operating system is Workbench, Amiga OS, section Workbench icons. Modify system and user icons. Will Atari toss future only default system icons whose appearance could not be modified and customizing icons on the Macintosh. Amiga OS redirect from Amiga operating system. Amiga OS is a family of proprietary native operating system of the Amiga and Amiga own personal computer. It was developed first by Commodore International. Neophytes category articles with topics of nuclear notability from July 2022. Distribution rendered in ASCII art, unlike a system monitor, the tool only features a static display of a computer's basic hardware and software configurations. Next step redirect from next step operating system. Number of other GUI concept which became common in other operating system. 3D chiseled widgets, large full color icon system with drag and drop of a white. Command line interface category history of human computer interaction and desktop metaphors example the graphical user interface of Windows. Unlike graphical user interface, where navigation is done primarily by clicking icons and typically into dialog box. Icon computing, the use of icons is to a degree regulated or guided to create a sense of consenting in the UI On some GUI graphical user interface system, example Windows, on an icon which represents.